To make a pixel stretch effect, first duplicate the background layer and then select lasso tool. Now make a selection and by tapping Ctrl T, make it bigger to the edge of the image from both sides. Now click on lasso tool and right click on the image, then select layer via cut. Now if you want, you can add some selections. Now move all layers that you made and have them all together. Then select the first layer and by tapping Ctrl E, you can merge them together. Now from filter menu, distort, select polar coordinates. Now if you don't like it, you can undo that and in edit menu, then transform, select flip vertical. Now filter, distort and again select polar coordinates. Now decrease the opacity so you can see the layer beneath. Now make some changes that you like. Then click on the middle layer's thumbnail and from select menu, select subject to have the man selected. Delete the second layer and have the first layer selected. Now by tapping E, you can select the eraser tool and erase parts that you want. Now by increasing the opacity, you can see what we just made. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching SarMV channel.